本日はマットファクトリーの S700V ハイゼットカーゴ用ビッグアイドバイザーのご紹介と取り付け方法のご案内をさせていただきます。
Let's take a look at the weather guard. You can choose from dark smoke color and light smoke color. The front pair includes one piece for the right side and one piece for the left side. It includes mounting brackets and instructions. This is the shape of Mud Factory's weather guard. It is carefully molded to ensure a smooth, non-wavy finish. Our weather guard has a dotted print around the edges, so you will not see any double-sided tape from the outside. The dimensions are approximately 14.5 centimeter in width and 6 centimeter in height. The thickness is approximately 2.5 millimeter. It is very strong. The burrs are treated by surface heating, resulting in a smooth and clean finish. Our weather guard uses Japanese Sumitomo acrylic, ensuring exceptionally high transparency. Acrylic is a highly transparent plastic material, even compared to the materials commonly used in regular weather guards, such as polycarbonate. We use Nitadenko's hyper joint for the double-sided tape. It is a very strong double-sided tape, also used in genuine spare parts by Japanese car brands. Let's take a look at the installation. Please apply a scratch-resistant sticker to the mounting brackets. Please prepare a soft cloth and alcohol. Please thoroughly wipe off any dirt or dust from the installation surface. Please prepare masking tape and a measuring tape. And apply the masking tape at the marked positions. Please measure the length from the outer frame of the door, and apply the masking tape at that position. Please refer to the instruction manual for the length. Please prepare the mounting brackets. Please pull down the window rubber and fit the mounting brackets in place. The installation position can be adjusted later, so a rough placement is fine for now. Please peel off about 3 to 4 cm of the backing of the double-sided tape and fold it outward. Please place the weather guard at the position of the masking tape. Once you have placed it in the correct position, please attach the peel part of the weather guard's double-sided tape to the door. Please do not remove your hand from the weather guard until it's securely attached and won't fall. Please slowly peel off the backing of all the double-sided tape. Please softly press down the peeled part. Once all the backing of the double-sided tape is off, please firmly attach the weather guard to the door. Please prepare the rivets and rubber rivet caps. The rivets are inserted like this. Please adjust the position of the mounting brackets to align with the hole. Please secure the weather guard and mounting bracket with rivets. Please remove all the masking tape and wipe the weather guard. Please perform the same steps on the opposite side. The installation is now complete.
Thank you.